You searched how to buy shares of Sol Strategies Inc. Sol Strategies Inc. is a solar energy company listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker STKE, and this walkthrough is educational, not financial advice. To buy STKE, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to be able to purchase. Use the platform search box and type the ticker STKE to find Sol Strategies Inc. Select the NASDAQ listing to make sure you have located the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for STKE. Double-check the company description and the NASDAQ label to confirm this is the right asset. To invest, click Invest, enter the amount you want to spend, review the order and confirm, and note that if the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next market session. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase can be completed. Your new STKE position will appear in your eToro portfolio once the order is filled. Check the link in the description to access the platform used in this example.